welcome back. I just finished my first workout for the day and I decided to go ahead and meal prep before I start my second one, and I'm gonna be making a ground turkey stir fry. So I decided to go ahead and film it just to show y'all in case anybody was interested. Yeah, so I'm gonna be making it in a wok, and I already cut up all my vegetables and all of that. That way I can just dive right into this video and it doesn't have to be too long. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I went ahead and put some olive oil in my pan so I can go ahead and throw my ground turkey in. I'm gonna throw a little garlic, well, a lot of garlic. And while I'm letting my turkey brown, I'm putting some steamable broccoli into the microwave because that's what I'm going to use. I'm just letting the turkey brown some before I start putting seasoning and stuff in it. And I mainly like making it in a wok because it makes me feel like a chef. So you don't have to use a wok. You can use it, I mean, you can make it in a regular pan or a pot, however you want to make it, but I just like making it in my wok. And I usually put ground ginger, like fresh ground ginger in it too, but my ginger went bad, so I don't have any. So yeah. So as for seasoning, I'm gonna be using some Mrs. Dash just because it is salt free, and I'm gonna be using some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. I'm also gonna be using some peppercorn medley in the grinder, some herbs de Provence, however it's pronounced. Those are the seasonings that I'm gonna use, and I'm not gonna add salt because, you know, salt makes you bloat. So first up for the seasonings that I'm gonna put in, I'm gonna put in some of the peppercorn first. Then I'm gonna go in with some of the Mrs. Dash, smoked paprika, and the herbs. Give that a stir. Now I'm gonna take my ground turkey out of the pan so that I can saute my vegetables and then throw the meat back in. Gonna add a little bit more olive oil so I can throw my veggies in, and I'm gonna add a little more garlic just because I like garlic. Y'all, you don't have to use all of this garlic. I use it because I like garlic. And another reason that I did not add extra salt is because I'm gonna be adding some Worcestershire sauce, just a little bit of it. I love Worcestershire sauce, y'all. I'm not gonna be adding a teriyaki sauce or nothing like that because it's gonna add too much sodium and possibly too much sugar. It's still gonna be good though. And at the end, I'm also gonna add some green onions just to give it a really stir-fry type of taste. And I've already turned off my fire. I'm adding these in just while it continues to simmer with the heat that's already in the pan. And that's it. I'm gonna start to plate it up. So I'm about to start plating up my meals, and I usually only do maybe 3 or 4 because personally I get tired of eating the same things over and over. So this is gonna cut down on me getting tired and letting the food go to waste, because that's usually what happens if I get tired of it. It just goes to waste. So I try to cut, I pulled out 4 just in case, you know, the amount of food that I have fills up 4, but I'm really just shooting for maybe 3. But if I get 4 out of it, that's good too. And as always, I use this Uncle Ben's ready rice. I either use the long grain or I do the brown rice and quinoa. And like I told y'all, I have some steamed broccoli that I'm gonna use as well, and I don't put anything on the broccoli. I just eat it straight out the bag, just like that. So yeah, and I'm going to put my rice and my broccoli in these 2 small compartments, and then my ground turkey stir fry in the big compartment, because I mainly want to focus on getting more protein and less carbs and things like that. But the broccoli is pretty good, so the broccoli, you know, I'll probably put more of that in than I will of the rice. Like, I'm gonna try to just use this 1 pack of rice for all 3 or 4 of these containers, so we will see. So this is the end of my meal prep. As y'all can see, I got 4 meals out of it, which is cool. Like I said, I don't want to get tired and let it go. I don't want to get tired of it and let it go to waste. So 4 is plenty. I still have another container of ground turkey in my refrigerator. So after this is gone, I'm gonna meal prep again, but I'm gonna be looking for a different recipe this time. I want to kind of try to do like some meatballs or something. But yeah, this is my meal. Quick and easy. It's gonna taste good, and it's gonna help me achieve the results that I want. So yeah, and also for anyone that's gonna ask, I got these containers off of Amazon. I don't remember how much they cost, but they weren't too expensive, so I will link them down below if I can find them again. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will try to do more and keep y'all updated on my fitness journey and healthy eating and all that stuff. So see y'all in my next video.